Just when things were going bad for the Congress party with Rahul Gandhi and the Congress manifesto talking about redistribution of wealth to ensure that there is a level playing field for all the Indians, there comes one more damaging comment by none other than Sam Pitroda. What Sam Pitroda says, staying in Chicago, has really hurt the Congress party and got the BJP up in arms. He's considered to be the mentor of the Gandhis, particularly of Rahul Gandhi, who has acknowledged this publicly. Sam Pitroda is also known to be a series of controversial comments like hua to hua, and also when he spoke against the Ram Mandir and the need to build it. Well, his latest comment is when he talks about in sync with this demand by the Congress that there should be a redrawing or redistribution of wealth, and we also need to know that there should be a caste census and a survey to find out who has how much of money and how much of money should be taken away and given to the people of India. What Sam Pitroda is talking about is essentially that law or the inheritance tax which is there in America. He says that if a billionaire dies, only 45% of that wealth which he has worked hard upon and accumulated should go to his family or his children. The rest of the money should go back to the government and to the people of America. According to Sam Pitroda, this makes a lot of sense. He is also making this whole point that if a corporate has worked very hard, why should all his money be his? Why should it not be redistributed to the people of the country? This has multiple problems over here. One, we are going back to a situation where the Congress party has often been accused of being indulging in communism, where it believes in a kind of a society where the rich will get richer, yes, but that property of theirs or wealth of theirs must be taken away so as to distribute it among the poor. This raises a question, is that if I'm working overtime, if I'm working very hard to ensure that the money goes and I get a lot of money, why should that money be taken away for the sake of the people? Why should it be restricted only to a certain number of people? This is also going to embolden the BJP, where a concern will be raised and an alarm bell will be sounded that the money you may have collected and worked and earned after putting in a lot of effort will not be yours. It will be taken away by the state. And that is where the comparison of the Congress party with Russia and China keeps on taking place. And that is where it earns the tag of being urban Naxal, or earns the tag of indulging in a certain kind of a society or in an economic restructuring where your money is taken away, your wealth, your property which you may have worked hard upon is snatched away from you. That is one of the most damaging comments which seems now to be coming in from Sam Pitroda, which is only going to end up hurting the Congress party more and more.